Welcome to the Class of 2021 Awards and Scholarship presentation. I am Teresa Edmonton, Supervisor of the College Career and Personal Guidance Office. We are sad that we cannot be together tonight to celebrate your awards and scholarships, but we are excited and look forward to graduation soon. This presentation honors your passions, your dedication, your hard work, and your commitment to the community. We are so proud of you. I would now like to introduce Principal Mr. Baldessano.
Good evening, Class of 2021. I'd like to begin by thanking our Superintendent, Dr. Ranelli, our members of the Board of Education, all of our staff, and our parents for supporting you through this journey. Congratulations. Despite the challenges you faced this year, you've shown scholarship, leadership, character, athletic, and artistic ability. And for that, you are all being rewarded tonight, and that reward is much deserved. We are proud of you and want you to know that through your hard work, you have made Piscataway a stronger place. Thank you, and best of luck in all you do.
I would now like to introduce Superintendent of Schools, Dr. Ranelli.
Good evening. I'd like to start off by offering a sincere congratulations, but this year, a slightly different congratulations. You've achieved these awards in the most difficult of situations. When you stop and take time to reflect, maybe you'll understand the enormous accomplishments you've achieved. My daughter has this very same ceremony in a couple of days. So I thought, what would I want her superintendent to say to her? I would want him to say, take a breath, look back and celebrate this time. One of my weaknesses over my career has been the lack of patience, seeing a goal and want to get there immediately. And that's just not how life works. Unfortunately, life goes by very fast. When you only focus on the end result, you might miss the beauty of each day. I would want my daughter to keep her values, to keep her morals, and to keep her strong goals. But take the time to celebrate the steps along the way. To slow down and enjoy the journey and enjoy the hard work. Enjoy the friendships. So that's my message for you also. Take time to breathe, to reflect, to be proud, and to celebrate. This is just the beginning. Whatever your next goal, work hard, enjoy the journey, and don't forget to celebrate the steps along the way. Congratulations on your accomplishments, and please continue to be kind and enjoy every day.
I would now like to introduce the President of the Board of Education, the Honorable Mrs. Hobson.
Good evening, Class of 2021 Scholarship and Awards winners. I'm Shalia Hobson, President of the Piscataway Board of Education, and I'm very happy to speak to you this evening. This is one of my favorite nights in the school year. It's a night filled with good news. It's a celebration of your hard work, accomplishments, and rewards. This hasn't been an easy year for the Class of 2021. For the majority of the school year, you stayed at home. You learned via Zoom. You couldn't gather together and enjoy senior events. But you all rose to the challenge of remote learning, kept your grades, and continued to contribute to your school and community in meaningful ways. You led by example, showing the younger students at Piscataway High School how to navigate successfully through these difficult times. And through it all, continued on your own paths to success. This is a class who is graduating with hundreds of college credits. Some of you have credits through our community colleges, others through our partnerships with Rutgers and biomedical programs, and though taking the Rutgers expository writing class here at PHS. And the biggest number, 252 PHS seniors, took at least one AP course this year. Next year, some of our PHS students will begin their careers right away, while others will attend colleges close to home and throughout the country. Our students will attend Cornell University, Dartmouth University, Emory-Riddle Aeronautical University, University of California, and our own world-class university, Rutgers, as well as many other institutes of learning. And we salute our PHS seniors who will serve in our armed forces next year. We are so proud of you and applaud every honor you will receive tonight. We look forward to your future accomplishments in college, in your careers, and in your service to others. Congratulations, and I wish you the best in all you do.
Good evening. On behalf of the College Career and Personal Guidance Department, happy Senior Awards Night.
We couldn't be more proud of each of you, and we're very excited for you.
Navigating being a student during these challenging times couldn't have been easy.
You have excelled every year of high school and have made it look effortless.
As you prepare for life after high school, we wish you all the best.
We're sad that we aren't able to do this in person, but we're glad that we're getting able to celebrate with you. Congratulations on all of your accomplishments. You deserve it.
Congratulations, class of 2021!
Ride through life. Every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the world is waiting. Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let it take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way? 'Cause every day is a new day. And everything's going your way. And you wanna make it last forever. We'll keep it together, 'cause it keeps getting better. Whoa, oh, ride through life and move ahead to your destination. Shine so bright, be the light of a new creation. If the world is a stage, better start the show. 7, 8, 9, 10, ready, set, let's go. Turn it on, turn it up. Are you ready to find your way? 'Cause every day is a new day. And everything's going your way. And you wanna make it last forever. We'll keep it together, 'cause it keeps getting better. Feel the sun upon your shoulders. Find the strength to make you bolder. Yeah. And let each moment take you higher and higher and higher than you've ever been before. Ride through life.